So today we're going to learn about default dictionary, and this is basically a dictionary that can contain key value pair, and we will be comparing against group A and group B. So group A contain a lot of duplicated alphabets that might have in group B. So group B will be the unique alphabets that we will be comparison against group A. So let's try and see the solutions for here. And the constraint is basically starting from, the index will be starting from 1 and until I think it's like, so 100,000. So, and also for the M, it will be 100 and it will start from index 1. And we will be, the output will be the index positions from group A that group B contains. If group B is contained inside group A, then we will print out the index positions from group A. And we will print out -1 if the group B doesn't have, if the group B alphabet that doesn't exist in group A. So let's compare, let's try to implement the solutions right here. And we'll start off with importing default dictionary from collections, and then we will be imported right here, default. And right here, we will have two variables, group A and group B. And this group A will contain, we will be using default dictionary, and then there, and group B will contain just empty list. And we will have first integer input, and then we will have we will have to split it because it's going to be something like this. The input number will be 5, 2, so we will have to split the string into 2 and convert it into integer. So something like this. And after that, we will use the for loop, and then in range, and we will use the end. So, and also we need the index right here. So that's the index number that we're going to use it for identifying each alphabet from group A, right? So, and then after this, we will have to collect the data from the user input and strip any trailing space or any new line characters, and then we will use the data as the key, or we can say just key, right? And that will be our key right here. And we will have to append the index. That's 1 because it started from index 1, and in this case index 0, but the constraint says is it will start from index 1. So we just add index 1, and that's how the group A is collected. And down here we will be doing group B. So this is group A, and group B will be a little bit different from group A. So this will contain 4 in range, M, and then B dot append, and this right here, we will appending input strip, and after that we will compare against them each other, right? So we will use for loop for this, and we will need the key in the B list, and after that we will use the key, and we will comparing against if the key in comparison against group A using the key, and if it does, then we will print data, the key from group A. Sorry, the index positions, the value from the key, the value from group A using the key from B. Yes. So after that, we will use asterisk to basically strip off the square bracket list, right? So this is what we want to print, and after that, it will print just the raw integers. Okay, and else we will just print -1, right? If the key doesn't exist in the group A, then it will just print -1. Okay, let's try and print the results. And it passed, everything is good, looking good. And we will run all the cases right here. And yeah, it works. So that's our solutions for default dictionary.